Hey, what's up, tubers? Special Ed here. I want to show you my latest invention. Actually, okay, it's a copy, but it's a cookie, monster cookie from a neighbor. I got about 9 of them, and forgive the mess. I got kids moving in and moving out, so wanted to show you my Sawbuck here. It's pretty standard design. With 2x4s. They're 93 inches. They're not quite full 4. I'm sorry, not quite full 8 feet. Basically cut them in half, and then I went 2/3 up to drill the holes here. I went with the 3.5 inch carriage bolts, and went with the wing nut because I wanted to have the ability to loosen it and tighten it by hand. So I went ahead and put a support beam on the bottom, and then a stop beam here. And I cut the legs at 30. I want to say 35. So it would take a nice wide log slash cookie. I want to cut that one in half. So I actually put 2. I made it a 4 section. Well, no, not section. 3 section 4 support sawbuck, so that I could put some cookies here in the middle and have room to cut. The only thing I would change is probably this top piece right here. Hopefully the light's good. It's a little too high. Let me slide over the other way and show you a little better. See, how's that? Again, lighting in the back, but you can see there is this support beam goes all the way through, so that means the saw blade is going to have to come down and stop there. I'm probably just going to cut right through it. I'll still have supports here and here. But if I were to do it over, I would just drop it closer to the other support, and it would give me more room to play. And then if I had a cookie or a log in there and I went all the way down to that beam, I could easily rotate the piece and then cut right up through it. So anyway, super easy. Again, 2x4 by 93 inches. Oh, here, I'll show you a mistake. I cut the wrong side of one of the 2x4 sections. So I had to, adjust a little bit and recut on the bottom. So there it is. If you guys have any questions, any recommendations, I might paint it. Just paint it and then leave it outside. It'll fold flat, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. Probably a wall piece or something like that. But it is what it is. It's sawbuck. I plan to be taking some trees down this summer, and I will definitely need to section off and probably cut some stuff for firewood. And anyway, there's Special Ed Sawbuck. Hope you guys enjoy. Click like, subscribe, all that stuff, and we can keep sharing videos together. All right, thanks, guys.